Let's talk about learning how to drive a car. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. When you get in the car, you need to lock your door. Next, I need you to put on your seatbelt so you don't get thrown out. We want to be comfortable in the car. We want to pause for a second. Now we want to adjust our mirrors, get both of your hands, get the mirror adjusted, frame the rear mirror in the back window. So when you're driving, you can look up and see everything that's going on. Look straight ahead. Adjust your side mirror so you can see everything on the side of the car, which is really important. And then the passenger side. Now, we want to pause for a second. You must have your TIP, that's your temporary instruction permit. That's like an adult permit. We want to look over our shoulder and gently push the gas. When you're driving through a neighborhood, this is a great place to practice, feel comfortable, low volume, low traffic. We want everything comfortable and relaxed and peaceful. It's really important that as an adult, your goal is to get out here safely. We know we have jobs waiting for you, opportunities, so we want to prepare ourselves mentally for this. It's a lot of construction, so we're going to be going on a detour. You need to learn more than one way. So we're going to have to go in a different direction. Also, as an adult, you're going to have to run errands, get food for the kids. So we're going to make a food run. I'm going to show you how to go through a drive-through. So mentally, you got to be ready. Unfortunately, we're going to have to get on the expressway. Normally, we take a different thoroughfare. That's going to add a little bit more anxiety, but that's okay. We can prepare, and we will prepare. Oh, goodness. So we just want to look, be careful. There's a lot of traffic. All right. I'm just going to get in line and pause and wait.